You searched how to buy shares of Hyloris Pharmaceuticals SA, a biopharmaceutical company listed on Euronext under the ticker HYL.BR. This video is educational and not financial advice. Always research and consider professional guidance. To buy Hyloris, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with a government ID and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform's search bar and enter the ticker HYL.BR to locate the listing. Select the entry that clearly matches Hyloris Pharmaceuticals SA on Euronext to ensure it is the correct stock. On the asset page, check the company summary and the price chart to confirm the listing. Verify the name, exchange, and ticker all match Hyloris Pharmaceuticals SA and HYL.BR before proceeding. Click Invest, choose the cash amount you want to commit, then review the order details and any fees before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. After execution, your Hyloris position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to visit the platform.